Hello, this is Patrick Posey with Porsche Ontario, and today we're going to be reviewing some of our installed exclusive equipment options on our brand new 2022 Porsche Taycan 4S. Now this particular Taycan will feature our sport design exterior package, finished in high gloss black. Starting at the front end of the vehicle, we'll notice that the interior air dam has been pulled out for more aggressive appeal. As we continue along the driver's side of the vehicle, we'll see the extended side skirt with high gloss black finish on top. And as we continue to the rear end, we'll notice that the lower diffuser has been raised. It will be finished in our beautiful high gloss black. And we'll continue along the passenger side all the way back to the front. Another piece of equipment that we'll be installing in our Taycan today will be the rear trunk liner. As we can see, the edges are raised for a snug fit. To install, simply press the button below your Taycan 4S logo and the trunk will raise. To install, make sure the Porsche logo is facing the trunk of the vehicle. Slide in and press down. Another unique personalization option would be our key pouch in leather. This is a new generation Taycan key for the vehicle behind me here. Now to install, simply get your new key pouch in leather and make sure that the hole is facing towards the top of the key pouch. Slide in here. And the second portion will be the small strap. Slide in through the open keyhole. Slide in through the belt loop. Press down. And at the very top will be a clasp to install your existing keyring. Another piece of useful equipment would be a charging cable for your phone. Porsche offers both a USB Type-C to Lightning cable or USB-C to USB-C. To install, simply grab the USB-C port, lift up your center console, push the cord in, close your center console, and plug it right into the bottom of your smartphone. Your phone will begin to charge and you're ready to go. Thank you for tuning in to watch our video demonstration of our exclusive equipment options on our brand new 2022 Porsche Taycan 4S. Once again, my name is Patrick Posey at Porsche Ontario. Have a wonderful day.